Assalamu alaikum. Okay, today is 20th May 2025. The time is 4 p.m. We are going to be trading Tesla. Tesla is not in the news. The ones in the news are Nike. I did not take a look because I already had a plan for Tesla. But it would be very interesting to watch Nike, Google. Google is haram. Intel, Pfizer, Equinor, Home Depot, and General Motors. Very, very interesting companies. Uh, there is a daily US conference calendar for Adobe, Dell, Intel, Nvidia, QCOM, SMCI, all the important companies. The news is not interesting. This week mainly has Fed speakers giving their opinions on how they think the interest rate will be dealt with. Yesterday, two speakers spoke and they both gave the wait and see approach because they do not know how the tariffs will broadly incorporate into the American economy. So they are going to wait until the tariffs show their true colors, until tariffs actually affect the American economy, and then they might take a decision. So they are going for the wait and see approach. Fed is really sticking to what they've said. Apart from that, most of the news is related to Russia, Ukraine, US, Iran. Nothing that affects the equity market so much, maybe the oil and the forex market, but nothing of interest to us. So let's jump into the chart. Uh, we will be trading Tesla, like I've told, but we will also take the SPY into consideration today. The SPY is planning on opening near the sell order block. The movement has been really slow, really ranged, but towards the sell order block. Two things can happen. Either the SPY chooses to jump into the sell order block and really consolidate at this level, or it might touch this level and instantly drop. Either way, we are planning on going long on Tesla at 343. The important levels on Tesla would be 343, 347 to 348, and if 343 for some reason is broken, we are going to focus on 338, which was yesterday's pivot. This area, style extend right. Thank you, Eddie. Okay, so this is our buy order block. If in case this 343 is broken, we will target the 347 to 348 area, if not the 350 to 351 area. Let me push this order block a little bit higher. The second order block, I'm targeting this area. So we have our levels marked. We are expecting, inshallah, good news today. Let's. So the plan is that if Tesla holds 343, we go long. If Tesla holds 343 today, we go long till 347. If Tesla breaks below 343, we go short till 338. If yeah, and we might expect selling pressure from the SPY, because SPY is going to open towards the sell order block. So there might be some selling pressure that Tesla might have to absorb, and then it goes up, or the selling pressure combined with Tesla's own selling pressure might break it below 343. Anything can happen today, but I think this is mostly what we can expect from the market. What I'm expecting is the price to hold 343 level, and we trade off of the 343 level. We can jump in quick. We can wait for it to develop. I think I'm gonna take a more wait and let's see it develop, especially if S&P chooses to rally into the sell order block and consolidates. Because if the S&P rallies into the sell order block and consolidates, that means the price can go down. and that might also push Tesla down. We might see another fake out or something like that. Right. If if SPY touches sell order block and falls, but Tesla is holding up, it's not falling, it's really trying to resist this level. That'll be our entry signal, and we will take our entry there. So I think that mostly is the plan. It's that is the plan. We are going to work in conjunction with the SPY. Look at both the SPY and the Tesla footprint to try and detect any anomalies. Hopefully, we will be successful in doing that. I have no idea why go charting is so annoying. It's really really annoying sometimes. See, this I don't like. Waiting for the chart to load. It's something I don't like. Where is the chart? Yes, reload. Let's keep everything ready. US 500. That is our sell order block, buy order block. Everything looks good. Everything feels good. So let's try to simplify the plan as much as possible. Let's make it as simple as possible. Like my brother said, we should be doing. Um, we If Tesla holds the 343 level, we go long. If Tesla breaks below 343, we go short. We go long till 347 to 348 area, or maybe even 349, 350, depending on how Tesla is behaving. And if it breaks, we go down till 338 area. And that is going to be our trade. I'm going to pause the video for now. There's still 20 minutes left. There is nothing more to discuss. And inshallah, I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, based on what I'm seeing, some revisions need to be made. Uh, Tesla is really inching to go past 347 level. We see selling pressure come in once. Sellers try and step in. Let's see, what does this look like? Looks like the buyers are really trying to push the price higher in this candle and this candle. That is really high volume for pre-market, that's for sure. That is like regular volume stepping in. Did any news come out is the question. So if this level holds up, we go long at 347 to 350. That adds slight ambiguity. What is the reason that Tesla is trying to skyrocket? We need to know. Test. Okay. Elon Musk on Tesla says sales situation has already turned around. Europe is the weakest market. Everywhere else is going well. Sales is strong. People are buying Tesla vehicles because Elon is crazy, asked in context of stickers on vehicles suggesting the car was purchased before Elon went crazy. Asked if he sees himself as CEO in 5 years, says yes. Committed to being CEO unless he dies, responds no to when asked if this is an independent of remuneration. The key point is sufficient voting control so activists can't oust him. Okay, market is on. Tesla is strong. Tesla moving into the 350 zone. So it was buyers who mostly stepped in. Tesla really resisting the 351 zone. Can absolutely blow past 350. Can resist it as well. Trapped buyers for sure. So 350 was uh, resisted. It's just that we want to see it happening again. Buyers, I want to see the 350 level being held one more time. So we are shorting Tesla here. Wow, drop, drop. Think Tesla might keep going. What is the SPX doing? SPX is very still. Let's try to go long at the next opportunity we get. Okay, now I don't know what is the plan. Let's try to come up with a new plan because the old plan is all done. We are seeing. Let's go short because the buyers are being very aggressive and their aggression is not being valued. Let's save some to try and go short again. The price is failing despite aggression. So there is another short. The price is falling despite seller aggression. See, despite buyer aggression. That is another short. And this short we're going to hold unless there is a reason to not hold it. I'm gonna settings, profit loss. Yeah. Okay. I was on the demo account. Hmm. This is the demo account. We're gonna hold the short at least until the view app. Let's see. Buying aggression and the price still fails. Like, that is another short. Oh, sellers were absorbed here and the price rallies higher. Very, very strong buying and the price fails to rise. Let's wait a bit and then add more size. Let's see what happens here. A lot of the sellers are okay, very strong selling aggression, the price does not fall. Wow. Wow. Okay, it's not very strong, but still it is quite strong. We saw buyers get absorbed here. Buyers are very strong, 40K, and the price still doesn't fall. Sellers really defending 355 level, but that is not what we were planning for. You know, it's I did not have any plans off of 355. Okay, we see buying off of the view app. Do we see resistance again? Would be really fun. I want to see this level being resisted. It would be really, really fun. Yeah, this level is being resisted. Actually, it's not being resisted that well, also. If anything, I want to go long now at 350. S&P is just being really pathetic. Okay, I guess. Sellers are being absorbed for some reason. The price is falling despite buying aggression. GG. This, I think, was not the cleanest trade, but still decent. I'm gonna go visit my brother, see how he's been doing.
Right over here, where I'm sitting. हमने रखा है मुंह पीछे कर ली.
Keep in your pocket.
Keep in your pocket seems. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बाद में आता हूँ. समझे?
तुमने नहीं बोला कि बाद में आता हूँ. You told I have this thing, no?
Yeah, I have this thing, no, like as in this over here, क्या?
I thought talking about some work.
And your PC is dying, bro.
I know it's dying. See, the buyers getting absorbed. One. In all of these wicks, it's all of them are buyers. And they're dying, bro. They're pushing so fucking hard. Push, push, push. ये सिर्फ इस एक कैंडल में सेलर्स थे. वो भी ऊपर वाले पार्ट में बायर्स थे. Push, push, fail, 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 fail. Price went and died. Beautiful shot too. 345. I mean. Insanely beautiful shot.
It's falling even more now.
I don't know.
No, it's bound to. It fall till the even. It fall till the fell till the
But
even.
I became confused once the
This thing also came now, bro. See, the buyers were getting absorbed, and plus the indecision candle. Zoop! It fell like nobody's business.
it just keeps falling, bro.
It fell like $10 in a row. Yeah, because it opened really high, then it went even higher. All the buyers got exhausted.
I was like planning कि I'll switch to my real here and switch to real. I switched also at 355. I was like, oh, nothing. Same.
I was feeling the same with this one day blast. Instead of boom, boom.
हमजा डेगची में ना चावल का पानी ऐसे ऐसे ला के इसे मुंह धो खाना तो बहुत बहुत ठंडा होता है इससे भी और बहुत अच्छा लगता है फेस मैंने याद नहीं रहता बोलने जो फ्रिज में भी मैंने रखा हुआ उसको
सीधे बात.
इतनी अच्छी ना कि इसकी पकौड़ा बनती है।
After yesterday, I've just become so distracted. Even in the entire morning, I was feeling like weird. No, the entire time I'm feeling like something might happen. I don't know what. So frustrated. And because of that, I'm extremely distracted.
Even if something happens, you have the ability to proof everything back. Then you should.
I took 20 size here, 10 10. Then I saw कि it rose, I dropped. Then I took 20 size here when it went up. When I saw failure, second when it came back up to this level,
But you know way too earlier than me, you know.
I took 352, bro.
No, that's not a problem.
Yeah, I dropped it. I dropped it, then it came to you. I was not interested in the move anymore. I'm like, what is this shit? Because that's when I was making money, bro. I was so hyper focused that I ended up making no money.
Capital is high spread, bro. It's 21 cents from 11 cents.
They keep 10 cents spread on everything. On any stock, they keep 10 cents spread. And compared to the ATR, I feel like Tesla is the best. Because it give you $10 move on what 11 cents channel. Fair enough.
Yes, you will just have to test.
Hmm?
I mean, you know your ability is the best.
Ability in what?
in trading.
Nah, and it's not all that.
Well, believe it or not, when I say that, bro, my sales ability is not all that. I got the sales. Doesn't seem to be fact. I got the sales. And
It doesn't. It doesn't feel right. Like
it'll never feel it. Till now, I don't know what the fuck I do. And that got me the sales. Same way, it never feels. That's the ability.
अरे तो अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता है.
So, right there is the ability.
ये
You'll
most
never
यार
know.
है.
You'll never know.
it went at 343, bro. I think the plan still holds to go long at 343. I'll go long. I don't know.
Ah, no. I see again. Ah, no. The plan still is a. It still remains. Let's see.
जाके धो ले ना.
अभी काम कर रहा हूँ.
Very strong selling aggression, but the price still holds. Very nice. And then the price comes back down again. That is not very nice. Okay, let's see if this level holds or not, the 343 level, because that is the level that we're betting on. 343, 25 size. Very strong selling aggression, but doesn't do anything to the price. Let's wait a minute. The move up is going to be very sluggish, so I don't want to. I still need to sit down and watch. Mhm. $60 कमाया।
हम्म
60 डॉलर कमाया।
7
60
तो डेमो में कितना कमाती है? ना तो देख ही नहीं थे कि डेमो है ये किस्मत की। अभी नहीं हो सकता कुछ।
कितना कमाया? 2942 कैसे हो गया? 100 कमाया।
ना
1 मिनट। $66 कमाया। अच्छा 876 था। ओके।
बीस दिनार
नहीं
90 95 96 दिनार तक।
25 दिनार।
हम्म
25 दिनार।
अभी और चांस नहीं है। तो डेमो में ज्यादा हो गया था क्या?
हम्म
तो मैं बोले डेमो में कमाया मामा डेमो में।
हाँ वही चेक करो डेमो में कितना कमाया। डेमो में 285।
हाय मतलब तुम क्यों ऐसी ऐसी हरकतें करते हो मतलब? नमाज वमाज पढ़ा कर बेटा।
अरे नहीं यार दिमाग कल से ब्लॉक हो गया है।
क्या ब्लॉक हो गया फिर?
कल से अजीब लग रहा है।
हाँ
कल से अजीब लग रहा है।
बस क्या चीज़?
पता नहीं। कल का जो ट्रेड मिस हुआ ना उसके बाद सब कुछ अजीब लग रहा है।
देखो ना कोई बात नहीं, कोई दिन मिस हो जाता।
हाँ तो मैं कौन सा जानबूझ के कर रहा हूँ एकदम।
देख के ना डेमो है क्या है। डेमो खोल के बैठे तो
नहीं रोज़ लॉगिन करता हूँ तो लाइव रहता है। आज लॉगिन किया डेमो हो गया। मैं ध्यान नहीं दिया कि डेमो आज खुला हुआ। कितना लाइव कितना दिखा रहा है?
को फायदा हो गया दूसरे को है?
2942। हाँ कल इंशाल्लाह 3000 पूरा हो जाएगा।
हाँ?
किसको मैं?
दूसरे को फायदा हो गया।
नहीं नहीं डेमो में किसी को फ़ायदा नहीं होता।
तो हमजा क्या कर रहा था तुमको बता
हमजा
नहीं?
भी कमाया।
हमजा भी कमाया
हाँ वो कमाया 350 शायद।
350 डॉलर वो कमाया।
हम्म,
माशाल्लाह।
लेकिन वो भी डेमो में।
डेमो क्यों सुनाता हूँ? डेमो क्या करना है? डेमो मेरे घर में पैसे थोड़ी आते हैं। डेमो में कमा के क्या? मैं कुछ कमाया $350 मसले।
314 शायद, 350 नहीं 314।
डेमो में कमा के क्या?
डेमो से ही फिर वो पैसा असली होता है ना।
हम्म?
पहले पहले आदमी डेमो में कमाता है फिर असली कमाता है। Anyway, I'll stop the video here. Let's continue tomorrow.